Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Union Home Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, search for Union Home Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or the second link which will take you to the login portal of Union Home Mortgage. You can see that in this login portal, you can write down your username, your password, click login, and then you can successfully log in to your Union Home Mortgage account. So, after this login portal opens up on your screen, go ahead and fill them up. Write down your username, write down your password, click I agree to the user terms and privacy policy, and click login. This way, you can successfully log into your Union Home Mortgage account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking this I button, and then you can remember your username for the next time you log in. This way, you will not have to write down your username again. If you are having any kind of problems about the username or password, click on these two links and you can reset your username or password quite easily. If you don't have an account yet, click register your account and create a Union Home Mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Union Home Mortgage. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.